Hello all, welcome to Strive IS channel. In this video we will explore how to crack UPSC Prelims using logics and reasoning. So no rote learning, just smart strategies. Let's learn how to eliminate options and choose the right answers with confidence. Let's begin. See this question of Prelims 2024. Which of the following statements about the ethics committee in the Lok Sabha are correct? So we have to think about the correct statement related to ethics committee. Initially it was an ad hoc committee, okay, and then second statement says only a member of the Lok Sabha can make a complaint relating to the unethical conduct of the member of the Lok Sabha, okay, and then statement 3 says this committee cannot take up any matter which is sub judice. So if I will think about the statement 3, then this follows logically, because anything which is under the investigation of the judiciary, okay, on which the matter is still pending in the judiciary or high court or supreme court, so that should not be discussed by any committee of the parliament. So this statement number 3 follows by this reasoning. So I think this statement should be in my answer. So by this I will eliminate the option number A, right? Now if I will think on the statement number 1, initially it was an ad hoc committee. So any committee which is formed, it is formed for, as an ad hoc body if it is able to fulfill its purpose, and then only we are or parliament takes a decision to make it a permanent body, right? So by logic also I think this statement should be correct. It should be ad hoc body at that point of the time when it was formed. So first statement should be in my answer. So I will eliminate option B also. Now I am left with either C or D. Now it depends only on the statement 2, that if it will be right then I will be following this D option, otherwise if it is wrong I will be going with option C. Now let's see this statement number 2 again. Only a member of the Lok Sabha can make a complaint relating to unethical conduct of a member of Lok Sabha. So this statement is limiting in itself by the use of the word only. So why will if unethical conduct is done by the member of the Lok Sabha, why will it be limited to the Lok Sabha members only? Why can't other person go to the Lok Sabha and say that this person is unethical in its act? So I think this statement should be wrong, because it is limiting the boundaries of the unethical conduct, okay, and how this statement how this things should be investigated. So I will not take statement 2 as the right answer. So in that sense I will go with the option C as correct option, with statement 1 and 3 only being correct. Now let's move on to the next question.
Let's discuss this 2024 prelims question. It is very important question. Recently the term pumped storage hydropower is actually inappropriately discussed in the context of which of the following? So what this term is, pumped storage and hydropower, and the term hydropower is basically used in order to generate the energy from the water resources. So that is means this water should be being used in the energy generation. So let's see our options. Irrigation of terraced crop fields, lift irrigation of cereal crops, then long duration energy storage, rainwater harvesting system. So in all these four options, what I'm getting is the only the one option, that is option C, where energy storage, energy generation is being talked about. So my option should be option C when I have to go for marking any option. So if we see the option D is that in rainwater harvesting system. So whenever the rainwater harvesting system is generated, it is generated like rain will fall and the water will get storage. There is no concept of pumping in this rainwater harvesting system, and there is no concept of generation of power. No generation of power is there. So this option D cannot be the correct one. Similarly, the other options can also not be correct. So only the option number C will be the answer.
Now let's move on to the next question.
this is one of the best and very basic question of prelims 2024 of UPSC. So let's see this question. Which one of the following is the exhaust pipe emission from the fuel cell electric vehicles? ठीक है, तो fuel cell electric vehicle से क्या exhaust pipe का emissions होता है? Which is powered by the hydrogen. So अगर हाइड्रोजन से पावर हो रहा है फ्यूल सेल के बारे में हमें ये पता है कि हाइड्रोजन यूज इन एज ए फ्यूल, तो हाइड्रोजन विल रिएक्ट विद द ऑक्सीजन दैट इज प्रेजेंट इन द एटमॉस्फेयर. ठीक है, तो हाइड्रोजन प्लस ऑक्सीजन विल गिव यू द वाटर H2O. So that means the water H2O should come out of the tailpipe. ठीक है, तो this should be the exhaust, should be coming out of the exhaust. तो only the option that is available is water vapor that should come out. ठीक है, तो हाइड्रोजन पेरोक्साइड हो नहीं सकता, हाइड्रोनियम नहीं हो सकता, और केवल ऑक्सीजन निकल के आ जाए टेल पाइप से, that is very likely. ठीक है, तो वाटर वेपर should be the answer, that is option D.
Now let's move on to the next question.
Now we should see the question of 2024 prelims of UPSC, and this is very good question that has been framed very logically, और इसको लॉजिकली ही सॉल्व कर सकते हैं आराम से. क्वेश्चन है, मेम्ब्रेन बायोरिएक्टर्स आर ऑफन डिस्कस्ड इन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. ठीक है, तो वी हैव बीन गिवन 4 ऑप्शन. तो अब हम इस क्वेश्चन को देखते हैं कि मेम्ब्रेन बायोरिएक्टर्स, फर्स्ट देयर शुड बी ए मेम्ब्रेन, राइट, एंड देन इट शुड बी बायोरिएक्टर्स. तो बायोरिएक्टर्स में रिएक्शन शुड बी टेकिंग अप, और रिएक्शंस अगर टेकिंग प्लेस, अगर रिएक्शंस होंगी तो एनर्जी विल बी प्रोड्यूस्ड. ठीक है, एनर्जी विल बी प्रोड्यूस्ड. तो अब हम देखते हैं कि इनमें से कौन सा ऑप्शन इस कंडीशन को मीट कर पा रहा है. ठीक है, तो सबसे फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज असिस्टेड रिप्रोडक्टिव टेक्नोलॉजीज, ART. सो ART में कुछ ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता कि जिसमें कि रिएक्शंस आर इन्वॉल्व. ठीक है, तो इसीलिए फर्स्ट ऑप्शन विल गो आउट. नाउ सेकंड ऑप्शन we will see कि ड्रग डिलीवरी नैनो टेक्नोलॉजीज. अगर ड्रग की डिलीवरी हो रही है बॉडी में एंड नैनो टेक्नोलॉजी इज इवन बीइंग यूज्ड इन द ड्रग डिलीवरी, तब भी कोई रिएक्शन नहीं होगा. ठीक है, ड्रग की डिलीवरी हो जाएगी, उसके बाद उसका कोई मेम्ब्रेन, कोई भी किसी भी तरह की मेम्ब्रेन, किसी तरह का बायो रिएक्शन नहीं होगा. तो आई डोंट थिंक कि ऑप्शन बी शुड बी इन माई आंसर. वैक्सीन प्रोडक्शन टेक्नोलॉजीज, वैक्सीन की प्रोडक्शन होने लगे, तो वैक्सीन की प्रोडक्शन के लिए मेम्ब्रेन में भी यूज, बट बायो रिएक्टर्स, रिएक्शन किस लिए होंगी, तो रिएक्शन की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी. तो आई डोंट थिंक कि ऑप्शन नंबर सी शुड बी यूज्ड. लेकिन अगर हम लॉजिकली जाएं तो ऑप्शन नंबर 4 को देखें, वेस्ट वाटर ट्रीटमेंट. अब वेस्ट वाटर के ट्रीटमेंट के लिए हमें मेम्ब्रेन की जरूरत पड़ सकती है. क्यों? क्योंकि एक साइड को वेस्ट वाटर हो मेम्ब्रेन के, ठीक है, अगर ये मेम्ब्रेन है, और दूसरी साइड से ये वेस्ट वाटर शुड बी फिल्टरिंग आउट एंड क्लीन वाटर मिल रहा हो. ठीक है, तो इस मेम्ब्रेन का यहां पे इस्तेमाल हो सकता है आराम से. इवन बायो रिएक्शन, मतलब यहां पे कुछ रिएक्टर्स हो जो कि इस पूरी केमिकल कंडीशन को मीट करने में हेल्प कर रहे हो, जिससे कि वेस्ट वाटर शुड बी फिल्टरिंग इनटू द क्लीन वाटर. तो वेस्ट वाटर फिल्टर होके क्लीन वाटर बन जाएगा. तो ये यहाँ पे बायो रिएक्टर्स और मेम्ब्रेन बायो रिएक्टर्स का काम हो सकता है. ठीक है, तो आई विल बी गोइंग विद माई ऑप्शन नंबर 4 टू इफ आई हैव टू गो with marking this question. ठीक है, okay, thank you.
Under Strive Age, we are bringing lot of courses to guide you through this preparation. So first one is Dronacharya year-long mentorship program. In this mentorship program, we are providing you one-on-one mentorship. You are assigned a personal mentor who will guide throughout this journey of your prelims, mains and interview. We are also conducting under this mentorship weekly mentorship session. Here we are going to take regular session like how to write answer, essay, then how to manage the stress, how to use elimination techniques in prelims. So all these things we are going to discuss, and already this program is we have run for last 2 years. It is quite successful. So next program is about the daily answer writing. So you can join our daily answer writing and practice answer writing. Okay, so the courses are very nominal and it is completely flexible. That means you can write any question of your choice from any source and we'll evaluate and give it back to you. So next, dear student, this is the prelims. This is the prelims test series for 2025. So we are going to launch the prelims test series for 2026 within 3 to 4 days. So you can join. So the price are very nominal and the quality are top notch. And last but not the least, we are also providing a highlighted version of the Hindu newspaper. It is called infographics edition. We called it because we are providing lot of information regarding your prelims, mains, as for the current news that is available in the Hindu. So to join all these things, please scan the QR code given below. Also like, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned to Strivage IS.
Now let's move on to the next question. Well, let's see this question of prelims 2024. Statement 1 says European Parliament approved the Net Zero Industries Act. Any person who is preparing for the current affairs, he may be knowing it. Okay, and I am considered a person who doesn't know it. Okay, doesn't know. Okay. Now, statement second says European Union intends to achieve carbon neutrality by 2040 and therefore aims to achieve all of its clean technology by that time. Okay, these are the two statements, and I have to see whether both the statements are correct or anyone is incorrect, or if both are correct, then whether statement 2 tries to explain statement 1. Now, if I see this statement number 2, European Union intends to achieve carbon neutrality by 2040. I don't know whether this target is right, but what I know is that European Union is a very large bloc and it has developed nations towards the west, okay, and comparatively lower developed nations or developing nations towards the east. So all of the bloc, all of the nations of the eastern part also will be able to achieve carbon neutrality by 2040 will be a very big task. Okay, so I don't think this European Union will be able to achieve this target of 2040, or it will be taking this target of 2040 for itself. Another logic that you will be able to eliminate this option statement second is whether it aims to develop all of its own technology or clean technology by that time within a duration of 1 decade. Okay, within a duration of 1 decade or 1.5 decade, any bloc or nation may not be able to develop all of its clean technology, right? So that is why this statement will be far reached. So by this logic, I will be able to eliminate this statement second, and through this I will be able to reach my option of C as a correct answer.